Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, not especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Okay, so quickly, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, so let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it kept on selling. It broke out from this particular support zone, and of course it got to a new support zone and was unable to break out from here, so it started an uptrend right from there. But we needed to break out from this particular resistance zone also. Okay, so this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. That is, this more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 started a downtrend from here, which came to an end around here. So right from there started an uptrend, and it has got into this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then we should expect more of a selling opportunity right from there. But we need the necessary signals that will let us know that this is going to be going on downtrend totally. Okay, so wait for that to happen. Okay, so we expect it to sell from there. That is, if it does not break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. So next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 was an uptrend, and of course it came to an end around there, so it started a downtrend right from there, and of course it has been selling since then, even though it is finding difficult to break out from here, but it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. This started an uptrend from here, got to this region, had a little sell, and of course went back on uptrend, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, but if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, it's going to go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is volatility 75. Volatility 75 actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course you can see the red flag, which signifies a downtrend, and the red arrow, which signifies an entry order for a sell. Okay, and it has been selling since then, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you practice very well before you try them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.